Here, let me help you with that. Welcome to Marshall U. I'm Sean, and this is roundhouse kick in 60 seconds. Let's break this down. From a fighting stance, feet about one shoulder width apart, front to back, and one hip width in between. Start by pushing off the ground with the rear foot, and simultaneously begin pivoting using the ball of the front foot, while at the same time raising the knee upward, keeping it pointed towards the target and holding the heel of the kicking foot close to your rear end. About halfway through the pivot, extend your leg out, lining up the instep with the target as you keep your toes pointed straight ahead during impact. For a quick recovery, simply drop the kicking foot straight down into another fighting stance. For power, try and time your impacts with the target to the peak momentum of both the pivot and the leg extension to get maximum force delivered. You can also quickly retract the kicking foot right after impact to produce a light contact snap, or continue to drive inward with your hip in hopes of causing a catastrophic explosion, or anything in between. And that was roundhouse in 60 seconds. Now get out there and practice. That was maybe like the first few kicks I did.
Oh man. Maybe you can do better. This thing has no weight to it. It has no weight to it. I got no way to throw this. This is harder than it looks. It's harder than it looks, man.